If you're craving a rich and comforting dinner that's ready in just 30 minutes, this one-pot chicken Alfredo is about to become a new favorite. Start with diced chicken thighs. Melt the butter in a large pan over medium-high heat, then add the chicken and cook until lightly golden. Season generously with salt and pepper. Add the sliced brown mushrooms and cook until they begin to soften. Stir in the chopped shallots. Add the fresh rosemary and thyme. Mix in the grated garlic and cook just until fragrant. Pour in the Pinot Grigio and let it simmer for about a minute to reduce slightly. Add the chicken broth, pour in the light cream and stir everything together. Add the fettuccine, making sure it's fully coated in the sauce. Reduce the heat to a gentle simmer and cook for about 15 minutes, stirring often until the pasta is tender. Once the pasta is cooked, stir in the freshly grated Parmesan until the sauce turns smooth, rich and creamy. Finish with extra Parmesan and freshly chopped parsley. Save this recipe for your next pasta night, and I'll see you in the next one.